Every masterpiece begins with a blank canvas, and these reports are no different. So there are many kinds of artwork that begins with actions and progress. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Chani Jaimandes Patwal, and I will going to tackle all about the mediums of painting. Before that, what is mediums of painting? So the mediums of painting, it is a substance or materials that is used by an artist to create an artwork. So let's dig deeper into it, and before we proceed, let me introduce to you the pictures or the examples of artworks that is used in the mediums of painting. So these are the pictures of painting, the pastel, the acrylic, and the watercolor. But painting refers to the materials which are used by an artist. It is the means by which he communicates his ideas. So as I said earlier, that the mediums of painting are any kind of materials or substance that in order to create a powerful artwork. So many mediums have been used in creating different works of art. So let's start first with the oil painting. So ano nga ba ang oil painting? So ang oil painting, before that, let me define what is the history of it. So the oil painting came from the roots of the Afghanistan, and it gained prominence in the early Netherlandish period. So let's define now what is oil painting. So the oil painting is the process of painting which pigments are bound with a medium of drying oil. Especially, it started in the early modern Europe. The oil painting is a traditional techniques in which the pigments are mixed with a drying oil, such as, so these are different kinds of oil, such as linseed oil, we have the poppy oil, the safflower oil, and the walnut oil. So as a search, we have different kinds of oil that is used in the oil painting. So there are many kinds of essential materials used in oil painting, but we have here the essential. So ito ay mga importanteng materials na ginagamit natin sa pag-paint ng oil painting. So we have here the canvas, especially the canvas, or if wala tayong canvas, we have here the panel, the palette, the oil paints, and the brushes. So as I mentioned, marami tayong ginagamit na oil sa paggawa ng oil painting. So we have here the linseed oil. So ang linseed oil, it is a traditional medium used in oil painting. In order to thin or the paint, pinapanipis nito ang isang paint, because we see as we use oil painting, ginagawa nito ang oil painting na mabagal mag-dry. So we have here the linseed oil para mas maging manipis ang isang paint. So and also the linseed oil increases its flows. So the difference of oil painting in the different kinds of mediums of painting is it is very slow in drying. So mabagal itong matuyo. So pero maganda din ang resulta ng oil painting. So now let's proceed to the next one. We have here the pastel. The pastel